The tire worn out so bad. The owner has been complaining of replacing tires every time, and he always complained that the other side, which is the right hand side, the front tire has not worn out, but this left hand side is always bad, going bad every time. He has done series of wheel balancing and alignment, but he later heard about me and brought this car to me. So I discovered that the wheel bearing, which is also called up bearing, is bad. So we are going to replace the wheel bearing and also replace the tire as well. So we are going to remove. Okay, I'll do voiceover. Okay, Nili. Oh boy, to give you 1,000. So we start losing the tie rod. So first of all, lose the tie rod out. So after we're done losing the tie rod, see your hose. The hose don't tear. Okay. Grease with it. You don't throw things. You don't with it. So that means you go remove and put on brakes. Put the hose. Change another hose. So after I done losing the tie rod, you lose the stabilizer linkage from the upper side, so that you'll be able to remove the shock absorber easily. Now this will. So lose the ABS, that is the anti-lock braking system sensor. You lose the sensor, that's the ABS sensor out, so that it will not stretch, it will not experience any force. Then you try to remove the stabilizer linkage. As you can see, that's how the work has been going. Now we are about to lose the shaft. So the drive shaft, we are about to lose it. It was difficult, but we added hydraulic to lubricate it before losing it. So it was not difficult to lose out. So always try to lubricate anything you want to lose, lubricate it for easy access.
Sorry. That's the ball joint. I did you what? Okay, now only one.
So you lose the three bolts that is holding the ball joint. It's not really difficult, so you lose the three bolts. Why no lose them from the other side? That place go easy pass now. You did turn.
He go call like say I don't put that in a fake.
Okay, why we put away no work?
If you say I like make I do direct yesterday for work now.
I want to put direct.
Well, the five pick at last.
Direct way must for another.
But if I can't pick at last, for front pan and strong pan team, I don't hope say I go do my own.
The motor na tablet start. Tablet start. This video one you know the thing.
Okay, Tom.
If you say you know the high the motor no go by.
So as the fan come pick,
Use the motor die why no go by.
as the fan come pick, now come
Lose them from this side.
that's the matter. That's as the fan
You don't
pick,
do,
now
give
make
her.
I know say I go do my work.
So where I go do money come I drop my own money.
If they lose them from that side, it will be better.
Drop my own. If you like, I put back on them money. Something like this, you do work like this, you pocket it. What you want to do? Now you get the motor where you want to.
Yeah, you see him.
thing tail land. I think say a break. You never lose those things come out.
What? This one?
Yeah.
Not to lose them.
You never.
Yeah, we've successfully removed it. So this is the bad up bearing. So even when I checked it, there was clearance. I'm just trying to lubricate the ball joint so that we can remove it easily. I wish you could hear the noise, but not too obvious. But when the force is applied, you can literally hear the noise in the car. So we are about to lose the ball joint. Okay, this is the wheel bearing that the owner bought. This is what we call direct Belgium, like a fairly used up bearing. I don't really advise this for my clients, but this was what he could afford. If you know what up bearing, like what we call direct Belgium, please, I want to see it on the comment section. Just comment on the comment section, like write something to let me know that you understand what direct Belgium means. So just trying to replace, like put the ball joint back, try to fix everything, align everything, because this was parked somewhere. I don't advise it for my clients, but this was what he could afford. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like as well and share to others. Yeah, it's time to couple and assemble everything just as we removed it. We are assembling everything together again. Don't stop watching, because there's something that we need to do at the end so that it will not affect the tire since we replaced the hub. So don't stop watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're going to see it at the end of this video, so that the tire will not worn out easily again and it will not have any other faults. This is a permanent solution we are doing to this car. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Just wait till the end. Also, if you have any question or if there is anything that you want to know, you want to ask, just put it on the comment section. I'm here to respond to you anytime. I'm always active. If there's any question, drop it on the comment section and I will respond to you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I said I'm going to show you at the end of this video something that most of the mechanics don't do at the end of this video. Just wait till the end. My teeth.
That battery, now they discover solar. That's what everything. Now our people, now our Igbo people, if not that one, I will do them 12. You know, but same anybody.
Now you talk to me, they produce battery. They get any factory for Nigeria.
Make the do the fuel one. Go buy that one.
Now we spoil our this thing because now ourselves, if they carry that original one go market, we will pay the full cost. We will look for cheap one.
But John, if our rotation, you know, say this one a good one, especially our standard organization, come begin the, you know, make sure say anybody where they bring them, they burn them, or they turn them.